Astrodome. Williams had been a feared puncher. They said he hit harder than Sonny Liston, but he had a bullet in his body from a shooting incident and was on the slide. 35,000 fans saw Ali give a masterclass. Big, fast, sharp, and powerful.
Surprised that he hit as hard as he did. I really thought he'd push over him, man, because he did way over the hill.
Look at you, quiet as a church mouse, can't say nothing. The words won't formulate in your mouth as I creep by representing Seattle South.
This ain't a Tootsie Roll, candy cane, now listen, it's not plain. Jay Sane and Ebola on the train down the track. It's a mystery roll. In fact, now as it go, train that ride, 16 coaches running. Everybody knows that I ain't funnin', fitting to get to the store. What you doing in front of my face, what for? What's good? What you want to do about this? If it's not known, then it might not be understood. Under that, keep it on the low, in fact. Back around the way. When it snaps back, crack. Like a rubber band of the hand.
Boy, what makes you think Tupac's still alive? Put that pot down, quiet that jive. Because if he was, we'd be kicking it like soccer. Your girlfriend's a bitch, that's why I socked her. Choked her out with my cock in her mouth. She loves the way it tastes, that's why she brained me, she's a waste. Make haste, little chicken, here taste what I'm cooking in the kitchen. I'm doing way more coke than DMX. Impersonate an FBI agent, show you my fake badge, then I flex. Throw you in the hex, I'm so damn complex. These rappers these days don't know how to keep it crispy like checks. It's 8:30 in the morning and I got my first client on deck. Better tell her I don't accept checks.
This little Beatrice plopped her. She told me that she wanted me to be her father. Sugar daddy, yeah, you know I will not do that. Just to get inside her pants. Bam, bam, wham, bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. I wine 'em and dine 'em, that's who I am.
Jay Sane is a monster, bitch, you heard right. I talk shit all day and I fuck all night. Yeah, I'm a Christian, Jesus is savior, but he ain't gonna save you from my misbehavior. I go to a rager, drunk off pineapple schnapps. What are you, a cop? Get up off the mic. Give me that, here, hold this spike, you dyke.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little girls. Don't you feel me all around the world? I could take this woman if she thought that she could. But then I know I shouldn't, but I would. Just to get inside the shoe. Tight like camel toe, I begin. How about you?
I might like what you write on Facebook, but then I'll put you on my list of people to kill, and that's the end of the line. I'm fine. I used to have a treehouse, just thought you should know. Here, sniff this blow. It's the last thing you'll ever know. Take it to Satan and tell him all about it. I can't stand my own mind because in there it's crowded. Justin Bieber couldn't shout it. I'm really super famous. Laugh while I frame this skull and scalp all up on the wall at my mama's house.
Hark the herald angels sang.